Today we're going to do an unboxing of the Xero Shoes Prio Neo in white. Hi, my name is Dr. LeBauer, and I've been wearing Xero shoes for, 6 or 7 years. I've been doing more barefoot running and wearing minimalist shoes for probably 10 years or more. I'm a doctor of physical therapy. I help active people and athletes stay fit, healthy, and strong despite prior injuries, people telling them they should never run because of arthritis in their knees, and without pain meds, injections, or surgery. So welcome to our channel. Before we get into the video on the Xero Prio Neo, please hit like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. And please share this video with a friend or leave a comment below if you have any questions. Like I said, my name is Dr. LeBauer, and I want to do a Xero Shoes unboxing. So full disclosure, I paid for these. I do have like a industry discount that I use to get these, but I've bought probably 7 or 8 pairs at full price, or whatever the discount is you can find on the internet. There is a link below. The link below is a affiliate link to our for the clinic. And if you use the link to buy a pair of Xero shoes or one of the other products they have on there, like some maybe the toe socks or sandals or the little balance boards, etc., we'll get a few bucks, but it helps support the channel, so appreciate that if you do that. But I've always wanted to do an unboxing. I've never actually done an unboxing video. It's my very first one. I've done plenty of other videos. You can definitely see them on our channel. I've done videos on running, on drills for runners, on stability exercises, mobility exercises, etc. Today I want to do this one on the Xero shoes. So cool little box. I dropped it on the ground. You get your receipt, a little note from Steve, right? I also ordered some extra insoles because Xero shoes soles are so good that I've worn through insoles on multiple pairs of my shoes, including the original Prios, which I'm wearing today. I have a new pair of, these are an older pair of insoles, but these aren't the original ones with it. And I like the insoles in mine. You can wear them without, which I've done, but I've got areas where I've marked the toes, like the toes have worn in. You can see there's plenty of, there's still tread left on here. This isn't grippy tread. There's still lots of life left in these shoes, but they're getting to the end of their life. They're probably 3 or 4 years old. I wear them almost every day. And it was just time for a new pair. So let's open it up. We've got the foam. I mean, it's not like a video game console, but look at that white. Oh, I love the bright white. That's my jam. I'm gonna tell you a little bit about why I like these shoes, and these are actually knit. These are gonna be great. I know they're gonna get dirty. They're bright white. They're awesome, but I love the white and the blue. I love the mobility. I gotta take these things out of here. So one of the benefits of wearing these shoes is that they're flexible. They're foot shaped. Pull this out. You can see this is foot shaped. I don't need to tell you, if you're watching this video, why you should wear foot shaped shoes, but you should, because it allows your feet to stay, your toes to stay spread, to stay wide, to stay mobile, avoiding hammer toes, bunions, foot pain. I'm gonna put these suckers on. Probably walk out of here with them like Mr. Rogers, right? I love the color, the shape, the feel. Doesn't smell like leather because it's not, but these look awesome. I love the white. I love the white of my original Prios. Got actually 2 pairs of the white. I got my shout out to Injinji's toe socks, Hobbit socks. I actually have a video on foot mobility techniques to keep your feet healthy. So I recommend you do that. I'll put a link below, but you might be able to click it here at the end of the video. I'm gonna take this shoe and just put it on. All right. Let's compare it to the old Prio. One's dirty, one's not. As you can see, the old Prio has these little guys here that are raised up, and this is kind of built in to the support. I have a feeling it already feels really comfortable on my shoe, my foot. And give it a little tie. All right, so if you've never worn barefoot shoes, start slow. Maybe an hour a day. It's taken me years to work up to the point where I can run without really even thinking about it. I ran for my workout yesterday. The first time I've run in about 4 or 5 months was 2 days ago. And 2 days ago and yesterday, my feet felt great. But a long time ago, I used to race bicycles. We wore carbon fiber and titanium soled shoes, and my feet were always clamped down. It took about 4 or 5 months of doing some yoga, and in those yoga classes we would do foot massage with a tennis ball and our hands, and my foot spread out and grew a size. It didn't grow a size, it just spread out. And so that's when I created that foot massage video that I've linked to. And oh God, these look great. Dude, I'm gonna look sharp. So anyways, I created that video to share with my patients. It's been viewed a couple 100,000 times, so definitely check it out. It's a great routine before you run, before any training. I will tell you, like the last time my legs got sore was when we did I did 245-pound trap bar deadlifts, and we walked with it, and I did those barefoot. So I decided, let's do those barefoot today to train my feet. And I was sore in a good way. So Xero shoes, they're great. I've got a bunch of pairs. I can tell you the difference between these and like Lems, L-E-M-S. I love Lems as well. Lems are a little bit thicker. Lems are a little stiffer, but they've got a couple models that are very similar. We've also got Vivobarefoot. I just never got into them. I think I was right between sizes. As a size 13, I think their 13 felt really big, and the shoe size right below it, the 12, felt really small. It's been 7 or 8 years, so maybe that's changed. But I really dig Xero's. Easy. I've got 2 Prios. Now I've got the Prio Neos. I've got 2 pairs of the sandals. I got the ones with the little toe. I've got the trail running shoe. I've got the one that's wool that's no longer available. I've got, what else? Oh, I've got the ones that look like Adidas Sambas, which are dope. Those are really cool. Or they have a version that looks like more like a Stan Smith, and maybe a few others. So they've definitely got boots, women's shoes, sandals, DIY sandals, which I think is how they started, and a few other running shoes. So check them out. Check the link below. Let me know what questions you have in the comments about what's the right size or what's the right shoe for you. Shoes should feel comfortable. Shoes should feel mobile. They should be flexible, and they should bend when you walk because it should allow your foot to do the work. So thank you very much. Please hit like, subscribe, click the notification bell. Hopefully this was helpful for you. Please comment below and let me know what was most helpful and what other content you'd love to see on our channel. I'm gonna go enjoy my brand new shoes. Look at all that tread, but the tread doesn't really matter. It's, it does, but the tread's worn out and I'll still be wearing these. I just want some good, sharp looking shoes. So, and I need more, so go buy a pair. Peace out. I got a whole closet full of shoes. I should make a video of those sometime. Maybe I will. I'll bring in all my shoes and talk through every one of them.